Your mind is your worst enemy. It's built to keep you comfortable and safe. It doesn't want you to get stronger. It wants you to avoid anything hard. That's why you freeze up when you try to do tough things. But that stops today. Now you'll learn how to take control. This is how you train your brain to want the challenge. Step 1, see the trick. Your brain wants to survive, not succeed. It tells you, don't work out, sleep more, do it later. The easy way feels good. But the easy way makes you a watcher, not a doer. Someone who dreams but never acts. The more you listen, the weaker you become. Step 2, change what pain means. Most people run from hard feelings. You need to see them differently. Hard work isn't a problem, it's the price you pay. The price for getting better, getting stronger, getting clearer. How do you win? When your brain says, I don't want to, you say, good, that's why I have to. Make the struggle your signal to move. Stop looking for easy, start looking for hard. Step 3, use the 3-second rule. Waiting means losing. You have 3 seconds to start or you won't start at all. Here's how. The alarm goes off, you're tired. 3, 2, 1, get up. You see the work, you feel doubt. 3, 2, 1, begin. Don't think, just move. Action kills fear. Waiting kills change. Step 4, win every day. You don't need a perfect plan. You need one simple hard thing every single day. A cold shower, some push-ups, focused work for 20 minutes, saying what you think, waking up early, small daily battles. These aren't tasks. They are punches to your lazy brain. Each one makes your mind obey. Your goal isn't to feel ready. Your goal is to act until your brain gives up and follows. Step 5, become the person who does it. Most people wait to feel like doing hard things. Strong people don't wait. They decide who they are and then they act like it. Tell yourself, I was made for comfort. That ends now. Then do one hard thing and repeat it tomorrow. You're not just changing your day, you're changing who you are. The goal isn't to check a box. The goal is to become someone who gets stronger under pressure. You've listened to your fear long enough. That old you is finished. From now on, you do the hard thing. If this helps you, hit like and follow The Silent Observer for more. Your easy life is a cage you can walk out of.